Hello my dear students, so this is your social studies class. So today we are back again in our online class, and today in this class we will do a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, our earth, a unique planet. So as we have discussed in the previous class, the previous chapter about the solar system, and we have also discussed about the earth, here we will know more about our planet earth. So here our planet earth is called as a planet of life because here life exists. We are living here, humans are living here, animals are living here, the planet of life. So earth is a form atmosphere, okay? We are living in a kind of atmosphere. So what is earth's atmosphere? Atmosphere here means the surrounding where we live, the air we have and the trees we have, so that is the atmosphere. So you see, earth is surrounded by a layer of air. So this whole earth is surrounded by the layer of air. So this layer of air is called the atmosphere. Here we can find the mixture of gases, okay? In the air we have different kinds of gases, so that mixture of gases is also known as the atmosphere. So you see, mixture of gases, okay? And we need oxygen. The living being, the animals, those are the living beings, they need oxygen to breathe. So oxygen is very important here for this planet, for the living organisms, okay? And carbon dioxide helps plants to make food. So students, here we are breathing the oxygen and we release carbon dioxide, okay? So when we are releasing carbon dioxide, the trees, the plants, the green plants, what they do, they just take that carbon dioxide and they utilize that carbon dioxide and prepare the food in the process of photosynthesis. As we have discussed in our science class, that what is photosynthesis? The process where the plant makes the food in the presence of air, sun and water. So this is the process, and these plants release the oxygen. So the plants are releasing the oxygen and we are taking that oxygen for our existence, okay? So this atmosphere also protects the harmful rays, the ultraviolet rays of the sun to reach to the earth. So this is very helpful. Now, so students, water is also very important as oxygen. We have talked in the previous topic that oxygen is very important. Here water is also very important for the living organism, and we need water to live. So students, you see, there are, as I told you in the previous class also, we have discussed in the science class also, that 3 parts of the earth is covered with water and only 1 part we have land. That's why if someone sees the earth from the space, it looks blue in color. That's why our earth is known as blue planet. So you see, 3/4 is covered, fully covered with the water, and only 1 part we have land. So that's why it is called blue planet, okay? And here in the earth you will find 3 natural forms of water. So as we have already discussed in our science class, that what is 3 natural forms of water, that is solid, liquid and gas. So solid we get in the ice form, the liquid is the most familiar form that we drink, that is the water we drink, that is liquid water. Then gas, as I talked to you, that this is the water vapor. So students, this is the 3 form we usually get in the atmosphere, okay? Next you see what is given here, that is distance from the sun. So how the distance affects the earth, or how the distance affects the atmosphere of the earth. As I told you in the previous class of in the science class also, that the sun is very important factor to affect the weather and also affect the seasons. So here the effect life on earth. So how it affects the life on the earth? If the sun is very close to the earth, what happens? We will feel very hot, okay, and we cannot live on this planet. And also if the sun is very far from the earth, then also we cannot live on this planet, because this planet will be very cold planet and you cannot live. Everyone will be freeze there like a ice, okay? It will become, we all become a solid form of water, okay? We will freeze there. That's why now this earth is placed very in a right distance away from the sun. As you know in the solar system that this planet earth is the 3rd planet of the solar system. So this is very right distance away from the sun, okay? it keeps the temperature moderate. So here, because of the distance of the sun, it keeps the temperature moderate in our planet Earth. It is neither too cold or neither too hot, so that we can live here very comfortably. So this is how, students, the distance from the sun affects the life on the earth. So we will stop till here. We will meet in our next class again, and we will continue with the exercises of this chapter.